Good evening, Avinash. It looks so nice to see you. What do you think of the new set, the new ambience, and the new set of awards we are doing?
Well, Dr. Bhatia, every year when I come to see your award function, it's becoming better and bigger, with august audience sitting in the front row and in the entire hall. It talks a lot about the credibility of the award that you give.
Thank you so much. Indeed, I must take a pause here to share with you the credibility of the award. We had a huge jury that sat through. We presented the audiovisual to you of the jury after the ABP audiovisual. The purpose of the jury was to evaluate. Each member of the jury vetted each entry very skillfully and carefully, and they came to a conclusion. The results are sealed. The results are sealed in an envelope which will be opened only today evening, ladies and gentlemen, as we present this set of awards. Over to you back, and to say a few words on behalf of ABP News and Real Estate Awards, and as a host of this evening.
Well, Dr. Bhatia, thank you very much. We operate in a space of mass medium by airing news channels in the local Indian languages. And the biggest question in India is trying to answer that housing in India is still not affordable. And it is beyond the reach of common man who draws a salary of 20,000, 30,000 rupees a month. Still he is forced to live in slums. There are political issues, but there are issues which can be addressed by this community. And I think sooner than later we address this issue. It is better for all of us.
Sure. ABP Smart Cities, what is it all about?
Okay, we started, personally, myself and my entire company believes that in India, actually cities are urbanized villages. The reason is that the city decisions are taken by people who don't get elected from those places. Chief Minister of the state, who takes maximum decision about a particular city, does not get elected from that city. The mayor should be made empowered to take decision about the development of city. Look at what happened to London. In last 14 years, London changed drastically since the time the mayor of London got all the powers. And that's what we are driving through our agenda of Best City Award. We are saying develop, give enough power to mayor to develop model cities, smart cities which can sustain itself and be environment friendly.
Absolutely. Thank you
That's what
so
we're
much.
driving.
Thank you.